If we divide 183 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we got 0. So now we put down the number beside this 3 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we got 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 183 divided by 2 we get 91 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.